Oh, you might want to get that.
Ollie.
Bang!
Oh, that's one. Alright, Ollie's friends link to the description and Cameron's link. Please like and subscribe. And here, let's go.
Alright, so Aiden's going first. He's got 3 attempts to hit the post and all crossbar.
Yes, I can. I better leave. I'm running with this plan. Pull me, grab so the fucking can't have me. I'll be the president one day. Jam every first. Oh, you like that gossip? Like you the one drinking that gossip.com.
So Aiden's turn to hit the bar. He's got 2 more goals, but he's hit both posts.
I've hit both posts in 1 shot. All I got to do, 2 shots, 1 crossbar.
He's actually just hit that. Has he actually just hit that? He's hit the bar.
So, he's hit all 3. I've hit both posts and the crossbar, so thank you very much.
Alright, next turn then. Because he's already got 3 out of 3. So now Ben can have a go. Now it's Ben's turn, his first attempt.
Oh, he's done it!
Is it the first post? Alright, now it's Ben's second attempt. Oh, he hasn't hit the bar. That was a good shot.
Ben, you lost your shit.
Alright, now it's Ben's last attempt. Go on, Ben, go on. Because if he hits both of them, then technically only you got 1 out of 3.
Alright, so it's Bertie's first go. Let's go. Oh, unlucky. Oh, watch out. Alright, so Bertie's second attempt. Crossbar. Right, so Bert, to not lose, you have to hit all 3 of them at the same time. So good luck. Well, on his own channel, he's missed all 3.
Right, now it's Cameron's first go. Go on.
That's
What
got to
the
be the
fuck was
worst
that?
shot we've had so far.
Cameron's second go.
That's a great shot.
He didn't hit the post though, unfortunately.
Unlucky.
Alright, Cameron's last shot. So me and Cameron drew. He won. Then, so Aiden came first. Aiden kept on saying, "Oh, winner."
Oh yeah, thank you very much. Alright, so Aiden came first, Ben came second. I don't know, me and Cameron we'll just say join third because it's like shit. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe. What the fuck is Aiden doing? I don't feel comfortable with it.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Thanks for watching and peace!